Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, where learning is an adventure. Today, we'll dive into the exciting world of numbers and discover the magic of place value. Alright, let's start our journey by understanding what place value means. Place value is like a secret code that helps us understand how big or small a number is. We'll explore numbers in the hundreds, thousands, and even beyond. Each digit in a number has its place, just like you have your special spot in class or at home. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and many more special places. Let's start with hundreds. When we see a number with digits in the hundreds place, it means we have lots and lots of tens. When we have 10 bundles of 10 sticks each, we can exchange them for 100. That's amazing. Now, let's move to something even bigger, thousands. Imagine having hundreds and hundreds of hundreds. Isn't that mind-boggling? When we have 10 bundles of 100 sticks each, we can swap them for 1,000. It's like reaching for the stars. But wait, the adventure doesn't end there. We can keep going beyond thousands, with tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions. The possibilities are endless. Remember, each digit has its special place, and it helps us understand these enormous numbers. Let's test your place value skills. Guess the number by looking at the images. Ready? Great job! The number is 1,489. Well done, little learners. So, let's recap. Place value is like a secret code that tells us how big or small a number is. We explored hundreds, thousands, and even numbers beyond. Now, you are all place value experts. Thank you for joining us on this amazing place value adventure. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers, for more exciting learning journeys. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you on our next exciting educational exploration. Happy learning!